దీపావళి శుభాకాంక్షలు.
దీపావళి శుభాకాంక్షలు.
హ్యాపీ దివాళీ.
Namaskar, we have the Mridangam exponent Padma Shri Yella Venkateshwar Rao at the beautiful Diwali event by Bay Area Telugu Association. Welcome to Yo India TV with me Jasleen and Deepavali Shubhakankshalu.
To you, Deepavali Shubhakankshalu to you and every Indian who living here in America.
Thank you so much. So we are totally blown away with your vast musical experience, the Best Teacher Award that you got from the government of Andhra Pradesh, the Guinness Book of World Record that you made, and so many awards, I can't even name them. It's a huge, huge list. So tell me a little more about your success story.
I'm happy that I'm here in the Deepavali celebration day, Bay Area. All Indians are doing very well and they are doing hard work and they are blessed people, all Indian people who are working in America. America is a beautiful place. Americans are very good. America is a beautiful place. Americans are very good people. Now our Honorable Pradhan Mantri ji, Modi ji and Trump ji, दोनों friends हैं. बहुत अच्छा लगा था. Don't worry about that. You will be get everything in America. American people are very good and I'm very happy. All Indians are here. May God bless you all.
That's a great message. So I wanted to ask you about your Telugu movies, Saptapadi, Vishwamitra, Bhadram, Koduku. Yes. So any beautiful memories behind how you got into these movies and about the music you rendered?
Saptapadi movie. Vishwanath ji, great director. He came to me. Janjala is also one of the most popular director in South India. He came to me and I did some of the music in Saptapadi. So very much highlighted all the entire movie and got the national and international award also, especially Andhra Pradesh award. Then afterwards I did Bhadram Koduku movie, for entire movie. It's got national award. And then NTR, he loves all my musical career and he loves my Mridangam especially. Whenever is any function, he will invite me and I will, while I am giving my solo Mridangam, so he will always listening my Mridangam. He is a great person. afterwards, I got many opportunities for the music direction, but I did not go because I am in top of the Mridangam. But I left it all these opportunities. I'm happy.
You don't like movies?
I like music, but there are so many music directors are there, beautiful directors. They are making very beautiful music. Why should I go on the But my line is separate. My department is separate. I did my PhD, everything in Mridangam. My subject is almost research subject. I did Nava Mridangam, the innovation, and solo. Mridangam solo, it was not done by anybody. But I started, I gave national program, Doordarshan national program, all these things. They recognized me very well. Navamridangam, Panchamridangam, Talavaji Kacheri, Sivatandavam. It's got national and international awards for my music.
Totally blown away, You are a true legend. So, let's talk about your Guinness Book of World Records, the 36 hours long Mridangam that you played non-stop, and the Department of Cultural Affairs of the Government of Andhra Pradesh had organized that event in Shankar Math, right? So, how did you keep up that energy, and what kept you going for, more than a day, 24 hours and then 36 hours? I mean, that's too long.
It's my fortune, and it's by God's grace, Lord Shiva gave me that strength. We are 1981 during this Anjaya's government. T. Anjaya was there as a Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. Bottom Sri Ramath was Minister. I requested to Bottom Sri Ramath Garu, I want to give the longest program. That is the name is Mridanga Mahayajna. In front of Yajna, I was playing Mridangam. First program starting with great Mahavidwan Mangalampalli Balamalli Krishna sang, and there afterwards Dr. E. Manisankar Shastri, great Vainika Veena Vidwan. Like that, all musicians will come and sing for my music, Mridangam. It is different. And actually, I want to do my one-day program, 24 hours. But it's gone to evening, 36 hours.
Wow.
Without non-stop.
You didn't feel hungry?
I didn't take anything, even water.
My God.
Without water, with no drinking, no toilet, nothing. By God's Lord Shiva gave me that strength and energy. Otherwise, I would not have been do like that. Afterwards, I was suffering. All legs is stuck. I did not walk even. So that was the final my health problem. But I played energetic program. And Navamridangam I played, Sivatandavam I played. It was grand success program. I think the first time its kind, the Mridanga Mahayajna, done by me, with all the elder persons, my gurus, and God, Lord Shiva, and my God, Venkateswara, Lord Venkateswara, Tirupati, Balaji. So I did.
What a meditative journey. I mean, this is remarkable. This is really out of the world. Yeah. So I also want to touch base on Navam Mridangam, playing 9 Mridangams at the same time. That was another notable performance. So do we have the 9 different varieties of mridangam,
Yes,
or
yes.
how did you do it? Who were the other 8 players with you?
Is one swara, different swaras. I'll play in ragas, swaras, kirtanas, different patterns in mridangam. That is the unique subject, and I got a doctorate also for that. It is a mridangam is mridangam born thousands of years before, but the mridangam shape, everything, out of playing, everything is one. But now mridangam is a separate subject. So I found and I innovated that for mridangam, everything is one. But now mridangam is a separate subject. So I found and I innovated that for mridangam. I did so many concerts, live programs, and even Doordarshan also they gave me opportunity in a national program, national program of music. It's a great event. So many live concerts I did.
Wonderful, amazing journey. Deepavali Shubhakangshalu, we have the very beautiful Dr. Sirisha Batula, who is the orthodontist in the Bay Area, and we have from the Google Tech team, Shrilu, who is right here with us, celebrating Bata Diwali. You know, it's, I don't know, over 50 years plus when Bay Area Telugu Association has put up a wonderful Diwali event, and this time, you know, it was in conjunction with the Association of Indo-Americans, AIA, as well. And as usual, it was a great event. So many dignitaries have also made it. Great cultural dances. We have the Mridangam exponent, Yella Garu also. And you guys look absolutely ravishing as usual. How's the feel?
Feel is amazing. This time it felt very different because of the AIA, also because we had many Bollywood dances too, and Ella Garu. But as you can cover some of our beautiful arrangements here, we did Diya arrangement, which looks really beautiful, and the kids have performed really nicely this time with so much energy and enthusiasm. So Diwali has become a main staple for us. Of course, Deepavali, as we call it, for Telugu Deepavali celebration, has become bigger and bigger each year, and we like to see the next generation also participating so enthusiastically and waiting for Deepavali, and looking forward to it all year.
Thank you again. All the time you are covering us for all the Bata events and then also AA events. Wishing everybody a happy Diwali. Last 2 days we are celebrating Diwali with the AIA with so many people. But here today, Bata Bay Area Telugu Association Tarpana, we are celebrating Deepavali. Almost 100 kids performed for Bollywood segments when we are doing the light lamp ceremony. Now we have 150 plus more kids that will be celebrating Diwali with us today. So what more can I say?
We are joined by none other than our Honorable and very dear Consul General of India in San Francisco, Shrikar Reddy. Deepavali Shubhakangshalu, how's the feel?
Yeah, at the outset, happy Diwali and also Deepavali Shubhakangshalu to all members of especially the Indian diaspora and also the Telugu diaspora, because today's event is being organized by the Bay Area Telugu Association with the support from Association of Indo-Americans. So as you know, we celebrate Diwali to mark the victory of good over evil, light over darkness, and also knowledge over ignorance. So this Diwali is a festival celebrated by almost all Indians So I'm very happy to see Indian community, the Bay Area coming together, showcasing their culture. You can see the dance performances by the kids. And also we see a lot of Indian cuisine and everything being celebrated here. And it is also special because this year the California state has enacted a law making Diwali a state holiday. So this will be implemented from next year. But it is the happiest moment for all the members of the Indian diaspora in California. But also this special event is being broadcasted live in New York Times Square. So this is a special event. I'm very happy to participate in the Diwali celebrations today in Milpitas.
And happy to see your tweet as well, not just California, but the state of Philadelphia and connecting it on the East Coast have also for the very first time recognized the festival of Diwali, which is our biggest festival in India, as a national holiday, as a state holiday. So once again, congratulations to all the viewers. Happy Diwali to all the viewers of Yo India TV. We have Carmen Montano, respected mayor of the city of Milpitas, since we are at India Community Center in Milpitas, and we are also joined by the planning commissioner of the city of Milpitas, Deepak Awasthi, and then we have TJ, the cultural commissioner from Fremont, and Bimal from the city of Milpitas, who is the economic commissioner. Welcome to Yo India TV. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali! You can never hide the light will always shine. Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali, all of you. Thank you.
Happy Diwali to all of you.
Happy Diwali, everyone. And we are from different states connected here. This is a spiritual connection for all of us. Happy Diwali.
Thank you so much. Keep celebrating, keep rejoicing, stay blessed. Thank you. So let's talk about the Golden Lute Award that you received from Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan ji, the then President of India, and I think it hailed back to 1961.
November 4th, 1961.
Wow, you remember the date.
Yeah. Evening in Delhi, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan gave me that award. Golden Veena. So I was first in India. The All India Radio, the music competition held. I was first person to take this award. From Mridangam and from Andhra Pradesh, first its kind. So afterwards I got many awards, like 5 national awards, and Dr. Abdul Kalam ji gave me award for Sangeet Natak Academy.
Which is the highest honor in the classical music in India. Yeah.
Sangeet Natak Academy award in Bombay. And many of the 5 national awards I got.
Wow.
Yeah, President's Awards. Rashtrapati ji 5, and I got this President Award, Padma Shri Award, in 2008.
Really amazing. So, which is your favorite raga, by the way?
All ragas are great. It is like each raga is divine, God.
But something which is very close to heart, that you may want to play at any time of the day, although the ragas go by the hour.
I did 100 items composed by me. Kalyana Vasantam is my favorite raga. Jog, Revati, all this Desh Rag is a national raga. I like very much.
You want to give out 2 lines for our viewers?
I'll give you my cassettes. I was singing well, but I now, due to age and something, I got some recently heart trouble. So, no, Thanks God to the. I may not come here, but because I was having heart trouble. So after my doctor's certificate, and he gave me the approval, you can go and play. Not playing so much. So traveling, I did this 1 month. I am traveling in America. I came here, America, during 1984.
Long time.
Long back. All states I visited, along with Dr. Yaman Shankar Shastri and myself. After some time, Balamalli Krishna ji, myself. My solos, I did my solo programs 20 times.
Wow.
In America, Canada. And I visited about 70 countries in my life. 70 countries. I played only 1 or 2 programs. P.R. Mahalinga flute. 1 or 2. But all the times I played my solo programs in European countries. During 1972, I visited. Government also sponsored me thrice. I had a good time with my Mridangam. By God's grace and by Guru's Ashirvadam. And elder like.
And as you have seen and witnessed today, big round of applause for all these 3 teachers.
Namaskar, we are at the Bay Area Telugu Association's beautiful and grand Deepavali celebrations 2025. This time the celebrations are in congruence with the Association of Indo-Americans as well. Although AIA had a blast event yesterday at the Alameda County Fairgrounds or the Pleasanton Fairgrounds with Supervisor David Hubert's blessings. And there was a huge Ravan Dahan with Rath Yatra, brilliant fireworks and Dandiya, the Ram Leela, and a crowd of about 30,000 people. That's amazing. I think the biggest in the entire US of A. Hats off to the team. And Bay Area Telugu Association, as you know, is an over 50 years old organization and has been doing a fabulous job. And one more time, we had CG Garu along with other dignitaries right here yesterday and today at ICC Milpitas alongside council members and mayor of Milpitas. So Shiva, you being the president, kudos to you, and tell me a little more about how the 2025 celebrations stand out.
Absolutely. So first of all, kudos to the entire team is what I want to say. And we got Diwali and Deepavali early to California and especially to this part of Bay Area. So yesterday we started with the biggest blast in the entire North America, like you said, the Ravan Dahan and the fireworks. And today, Telugu Deepavali, mana Bay Area Telugu Association Deepavali jarabotundi. So again, we will continue the same festive spirit with different dazzling programs. So evening anta lineup aina programs gani, Ella gari concert tho paatu next mana Bay Area youth andaru teeskoche dances, pillalu teeskoche dances gani, dance schools teeskoche different dances and lots of other programs kuda. So again, once again, andarki Deepavali Subhakankshalu. Once again, I want to thank all the team and all the volunteers and of course the media. How can I? Jaslindi, thank you so much.
So Vijayji, you are always a backbone and a key person behind everything. And as usual, you're looking so ravishing. What's your message to all the viewers on Deepavali?
Thank you. And to begin with, I just want to thank your India team, lovely Jaslin ji and your husband. You're always there for every community event, not just AIA, not just BATA, but wherever I see, I think you are present more than any of the elected dignitaries or even dignitaries from India. I know that shows your commitment. Not 1, not 2, but over at least 10, 15 years I'm seeing you dedicated your life to the community. First of all, thank you. And I take this opportunity to wish everyone out there, all the Yo India viewers, a happy Deepavali and happy Diwali as well. And the Association of Indo-Americans was proud to celebrate Diwali celebrations yesterday with 30,000 plus people. Thanks to the community, I must say, and thanks to everyone who supported. And now coming to our Diwali today, our Deepavali, what a grand gesture that we join hands with the Times Square and with the team that organizes Diwali at Times Square, and we put together this event today, including hundreds of students and many dance teachers who actually are pillars and backbone of the Indian culture. And today we, with all of those hundreds, our Honorable Consul General Srikar Reddy Garu, he lit the lamp. And in fact, what an amazing sight it was to see all of us celebrate and wishing Diwali on the countdown. And I must thank all the parents, teachers, and every single performer and every single Indian and non-Indian who makes this event so special. And we are truly blessed living in this country and celebrating our culture. And I'm sure you probably already informed all the Indians out there, but we are very, very proud to. When it was declared, the Indians were proud when it was declared that it is Diwali is a state holiday starting 2026. It's a proud moment for all the Indians and all the peers who came half a century ago and who made this possible for all of us. Thank you.
So, as a Vice President, Varun, what's your message to all the viewers?
So, as Vijayaji said, thank you. So, when we talk about inviting press or anyone, we don't have to think about Yo India TV. So, we just tell our date. Yeah, we just tell our date and you will be on there. We don't have to follow up you. So, thank you so much for being there and for making our event a big success. All our everyone who support us, everyone who come to view our events. So, doing events at this scale we are doing, but without the support or without the viewers that they are coming to our events, we cannot do any of such events in this scale, and we keep growing, doing events much bigger every year and every event. Thank you for supporting us and thank you everyone.
And we have the beautiful Sridevi right here with us, and you always do a beautiful dance in the end as well. So I've been covering and appreciating your dance moves. Do you have a little dance background as well?
Yes. First of all, happy Diwali to all our Bay Area viewers and Yo India viewers. And I'm a trained classical Kuchipudi dancer, and I'm proud to be part of the Bay Area Telugu Association and AIA as well. And we had a spectacular event yesterday. And then having that, and then there are a lot of performance performed yesterday, and then again today, then we had 300 plus performers performing. And then as a part of the Bay Area Telugu Association, along with me, the other choreographers and I would say part of the committee will all teach our kids, and then they all come and perform. And one more time, happy Diwali to all Yo India viewers and Bay Area Telugu Association తరపు నుంచి మీ అందరికీ దీపావళి శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఇవాళ మేము దీపావళి సంబరాలు జరుపుకుంటున్నాము ఐసీసీ మిల్పిటిస్ లో, అండ్ వన్స్ అగైన్ విష్ యూ ఆల్ హ్యాపీ దివాళి.
European countries. During 1972, I visited. Government also sponsored me thrice. I had a good time with my Mardangam. By God's grace and my Guru's Ashirvadam. And elder like many of my great artists, their blessings. Till I am giving my Mardangam programs. You know my duration of my service? 76 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
Remarkable.
Yeah,
I can't believe it.
Yeah. By God's grace, I am doing My age of 7, I started giving my first concert.
That's really amazing, everything that you said, is out of the world. And you have played with MS Subbulakshmi, Ravi Shankar, Chembai, Semangundi, Srinivas Iyer, Balamurali Krishna, L. Subramaniam, KJ Yasudas, Amjad Ali Khan, Hari Prasad Chaurasia, Bhimsen Joshi, so many other exponents. Some of them are even no more in this world as well, So by God's grace, we are very happy. I think you are almost 80 now. 81. And you are able to perform, this is a great blessing.
1 year less. December. I bought in the year 1944, 16 December 12, 1944. My date of birth. You count how many years?
So, how did you?
Journey.
Yes, you
a
have.
Musical journey. So my father, mother, and great master Palghat Mani, my master Somana, all elderly artists, all of them, they have Asirvad, big Asirvadam. Otherwise, I would not have done like this. This year, this age. Crucially, at a time I had 4 times heart attack. By God's grace, I survived.
So, a lot of great exponents like you, they don't have the kind of patience to teach students, but you got the best teacher award. So, I'm believing that you have immense patience and you don't get angry when students make mistakes or they don't play it the right way even after you tell them 10 times, or they don't practice well and they come back to your class expecting that you will still be good with them.
Yeah, I got many students internationally, globally, not only India. About 2,000 students. I teach them very free of cost, nothing. I did not take anything, no fees. Some of them, poor people, poor students, they will come to my house. They are taken food and shelter, everything. And after that, they are playing very well. Yes, some of my students are playing very well. That's the greatness of Lord.
So on this wonderful occasion of Deepavali, what's your message to all the viewers of Yo India TV?
Very good. Deepavali is a darkness. Every darkness will go away from Indians and Americans also. Whatever the Americans helping with the Indians, it will come lot and lot. Don't fear that. Don't fear. Great the President of America, he will do his best to the Indian community. My good wishes, and Lord Krishna and Lord Venkateshwara and Lord Shiva, Lord Ganesh will all help you. Nothing to worry. Be safe. May God bless you. All Diwali greetings to you all. Namaskar.
Thank you so much, sir. And let the hope be there. And as Yalla ji said, there will always be the best that is going to happen in US and in India for us.
Because Honorable President of America, Trump Garu, and our Prime Minister of Modi ji, they are friends. Our community and American community are good friends, great friends. So long. Never in the other country like this. This is American great. They are accepting to Indians. It's a greatness. French, they don't support. Supporting, that is different. But how many people are here? They are living best. They are, of course, they are hardworking, studied well. All cream of Indians are here.
Yeah.
great. Thanks to the American governments and Americans, everybody.
सरस्वती नमस्तां वररेखामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं दर्शयामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा पवसालक्षी पवननवनिनी विद्यों देवी कामतु सरस्वती ओम।
నమస్తే అండి. యో ఇండియా ప్రేక్షకులకు అందరికీ కూడా దీపావళి శుభాకాంక్షలు. మేము నిన్ననే ఏఐఏ అండ్ బాటా అసోసియేషన్ ద్వారా చక్కగా డిడిడి దసరా దివాళీ ధమాకా జరుపుకున్నాం ప్లజెంటర్లో. దాదాపు 25,000 మందికి పైగా మన వాళ్ళంతా కలిసి ఈ సంబరాన్ని జరుపుకున్నాం. ఈరోజు కూడా చక్కగా మనం దీపావళి శుభాకాంక్షలు బాటా ద్వారా జరుపుకుంటున్నాము. బాటా అంటే కేవలం ఒక ఆర్గనైజేషనే కదండి, ఇట్ బికేమ్ ఏ హౌస్ హోల్డ్ నేమ్. అందుకనే మేము ఏ కార్యక్రమం చేపట్టినా కూడా మన ప్రజలు ఇక్కడ తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా సొంత కార్యక్రమంలా భావించి ఎప్పుడూ కూడా మమ్మల్ని ఆదరిస్తారు. అందుకని మీ అందరికీ కూడా మా కృతజ్ఞతలు. అందరికీ అగైన్ దీపావళి శుభాకాంక్షలు.
అందరికీ దీపావళి శుభాకాంక్షలు అండి. బే ఏరియా తెలుగు అసోసియేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఇండో అమెరికన్స్ నిన్న ఈరోజు కూడా దీపావళి దసరా సెలబ్రేషన్స్ జరిగాయి. ఇట్స్ ఆల్వేస్ ఏ ప్లెజర్ టు సెలబ్రేట్ ఫెస్టివల్స్ లైక్ దివాళీ విత్ ఇండియన్ కమ్యూనిటీ అండ్ డయాస్పోరా పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయటము, సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకోవడం చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. అందరూ వచ్చి ఇంటికి వచ్చి సక్సెస్ చేయడం అనేది చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది. ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ ఇలాగా జరగాలని అందరికీ మరొకసారి హ్యాపీ దివాళీ అండ్ దీపావళి శుభాకాంక్షలు అండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you so much. Keep watching this wonderful show only on Yo India TV. More to come and keep having a blast. It's Deepavali after all.
Yo India. Keep watching.
Surya,
Let's start.
వచ్చి ఆడుకోరా. ఇక్కడికి రా మోనికా.
Any final words, sir?
See, the decision to declare Diwali as a state holiday by Pennsylvania, Connecticut and California shows the recognition of the Indian diaspora's contribution to the state's cultural diversity and also the socio-economic fabric. So that's what I want to convey.
Thank you so much.